Alright, how's it going? My name's Robert Copeland with Bartlett Roofing. We're doing a repair attempt for Chad Nelson. That's claim number 4463X837D. We got the matching shingle here, the driftwood that we put into here. Right here is going to be our test area that we're going to be doing. So we're going to go ahead and get these shingles up so we can slide this one up under and see if it is repairable. We're going to be very careful this whole time to do our best not to damage any shingles so that we get an accurate representation of what's actually going on here. We're going to come down right here with the sunlight where we can see real good and come up above. First layer's up, we can go to the second. Here's our first shingle. Here are the two. So to be able to properly get this one installed, we're going to have to come up under this one and lift this one here. So what we're going to be looking for is any crease marks that it might be making because of the age of the shingle. And get the first one slid in. And make sure that we're even here. And then from there, try our best to be very gentle here. This is an old brittle shingle. already see here, we've already started to pull up some of the granules before we've even started getting the nails in. Now that we got the first layer in, let's go ahead and take a look at what we currently have going on. So here, if you can see right along this, coming here, every time that we flip these shingles up, we're creasing them and losing granules, even though we're barely lifting them up on top of it. You can see here, right here, this line here. Now we're gonna go for the second layer of nails. It's gonna be under. Original holes over here. Here, right here, this is what we're looking at mainly. You can see this crack that happens right along the shingle when I come to repair these. This is the damage that we're looking for, and it definitely is happening here. You can see as we get into the deeper nails, and then on the bottom here, you can see the crinkles that have come up. There we have it. Okay, as you can see, though it does match and though it is in there, it's snug in there, the problems that we're having here are the damage that has happened to the shingles up above it. So that's why I would not deem this roof repairable. It's kind of obvious with the lines that are coming through right here that when you go to peel these shingles back, they're old, they're brittle, and they're just breaking on us. But that concludes our video for Chad Nelson's repair attempt.